Welcome. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to use autofill. You can use this feature if you want to fill in consecutive data quickly and very easily. It's really very simple. Let's go through a demonstration of it. With the autofill function, we can automatically fill in any data, especially those that contain numbers. First, we'll show you how to autofill numbers. Now we want to create a series with numbers from 1 to 15. We will enter the number 1. And right after that, the number 2. This is done so that Excel can identify the pattern of numbers we want to create. Let's label these two cells. We'll press the left button and drag their bottom right corner down. This way we can now create as long a series of numbers as we need. However, it may happen that you only fill in one number. In that case, you will copy the same number into all the rows. For such a case, we have a simple solution without having to delete and re-enter the numbers. Let's show this with an example. We will enter the number 2. We drag the bottom right corner. And as we can see in all the rows, the number 2 has been copied. This problem, as we have mentioned, can be very easily corrected. If we want to change this column to numeric, we simply expand the menu, which is located below the last filled cell. Instead of copy cells, we choose the fill series option. We have changed the column to a numeric series. Great! We can even create these series vertically and horizontally. It's great, isn't it? But that's still not all. We can also create rows of only even numbers. First we enter the number 2, followed by the number 4. And following the steps we've been shown will automatically fill in the rest. Next, we can create a series of days of the week. For example, we just need to enter the word Monday. We'll drag the bottom right corner. Excel has automatically started to fill in the series. In this way we can also create a series of month names. For example, type January. Drag the bottom right corner. We have created a series of months. We can also create a series of expressions ending in a number that we want to increment. For example, we enter the word store 1. We drag the bottom right corner again. Awesome! Will you use some series when working with Excel? If you found this video tutorial helpful, let us know via like or comment. If you are interested in other videos on how to quickly and easily learn how to work with Excel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next video.